Hey guys, welcome to VVC, Vehicle Velocity Chronicles, or Vedville Chronicles, or however you want to call it, but I call it VVC for short. So this channel used to be Marvin Kwan, now we named it. So right now we have a 2002 Ford Explorer I'm gonna do a review on that. I also want to turn into a project car. I had this truck for a few years now. I got 162,000 miles on it. Body is pretty decent condition. Of course, we got a little rust there, but you know, I'm in Michigan, so that's expected. So this is a 4.6 V8, four-wheel drive. All the windows are tinted at 20%. Don't have the fog lights on there. This is kind of a XLT package. It's got the deer sensors on there because I do a lot of traveling up here. We have a lot of problem with deers, so it's in decent condition. Decent condition rims in decent condition. Got a little rust here, but you know, it's not too bad. That's something that can be fixed. I can fix it myself. And as I mentioned, it is a 4.6 V8. So again, I plan to do a project with this. I'm not sure what I want to do to it. I probably want to get a lift kit on it with bigger tires. This will be my project truck, so let's take a look at the inside real quick. It's a little cluttered, but so let you guys listen to what it sounds like. Under the 62,000 miles. Cut the air off. Nah, check engine light. That's a EGR valve that I plan on replacing, so I'm not too worried about that. I do got a cracked windshield. That's from a rock hitting the windshield on the freeway. For those of you who know, Michigan do have bad roads, and the crack spread it right there. So that's kind of giving me a headache looking at that. I plan on fixing that real soon. Let's listen to how it sounds. Yep, not bad at all. Not bad at all. So underneath the hood, we got the 4.6 V8. You can also find this in the Crown Victoria as well as some of the Mustangs. Pushing about 239 horsepower. So today's standards, that's still pretty good, considering you can probably more than likely get a V6 with 300 or more horsepower. But acceleration on this is decent. I'm not saying it's slow. I'm not saying it's super fast. It's decent. It gets out of its own way, I should say. So, but first things first, for those of you who plan on buying this as a project truck, make sure you replace your spark plugs if you got the original spark plugs in there, because for this type of motor, this truck had issues with spitting out spark plugs and stuff like that. So I replaced mine myself. You want to be careful taking them out if those the original plugs. What I did was I put some high performance coils on there, so it helped a little bit with fuel economy, but not much. Not much. So let me just give you an exhaust clue. All right, let you listen to it. Sounds pretty nice. Sounds pretty nice. So I guess I'll wrap this video up. I'm not sure what upgrades I'll start doing to it, but I want to turn this into a project truck and also record stuff at the same time. But first things first, I need to fix this windshield. I want to fix this windshield. And by the way, this isn't the third row. This is one of the first model Explorers for this year when they first redesigned it. So this one doesn't have the third row, but probably in the limited or a 2003 it comes with the third row. Got an optional sunroof. So other than that, it's pretty much a very basic XLT, just with the 4.6 V8 and the tow package. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is VVC, Vehicle Velocity Chronicles. I plan to do more videos as well. Got the Focus as well that I'm gonna do some videos on how to wash it. So I'll probably do a video of me excelling or whatever. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your. And by the way, if you want to see more videos, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos, I also have an Instagram page as well called VVC, Vehicle Velocity Chronicles. I tend to put up a lot of sweet pictures on there that I find, and pictures that I have of myself. So give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you want to see more.